Unlock the secret to viral marketing by mastering user-generated content with Nano Banana. Step 1. Harness the power of AI for your visual appeal with Nano Banana. Uploading your raw footage is just the beginning. Our intelligent AI analyzes your content, suggesting enhancements to make it more vibrant, clear, and captivating. Think of it as giving your UGC a professional glow-up instantly. Step 2. Craft compelling narratives that resonate. Nano Banana doesn't just enhance visuals. It helps you tell a story, input your product benefits or campaign goals, and our AI will generate compelling script ideas and text overlays that capture attention and drive engagement. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your fingertips. Step 3. Optimize for virality with smart editing. Nano Banana makes complex video editing simple. Easily add music, transitions, and calls to action. Our AI can even suggest optimal video lengths and pacing based on trends, increasing your chances of a viral hit. You can quickly assemble polished, shareable ads that feel authentic and relatable. Step 4. Deploy and analyze your campaign's performance once your masterpiece is ready. Nano Banana helps you share it across platforms, track key metrics, and understand what's working. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your strategy and create even more impactful UGC ads in the future. Stop guessing, start creating. Nano Banana empowers you to create UGC ads that audiences love, driving massive reach and engagement. Let's make your next campaign go viral.